In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create our own context manager with generators in Python. A context manager in Python helps us to manage resources efficiently. It ensures that the resources are properly cleaned up after usage, which helps in avoiding resource leaks. We commonly use context managers in file operations and database connections. A classic example of context manager usage is the with keyword in Python. However, there are cases where we might need to create our own context manager. For example, when we want to manage resources that are not covered by Python's built-in context managers. In this code, we define a function my_context_manager, which is our custom context manager. It consists of two parts, the setup phase and the teardown phase. The yield keyword separates these two phases. When the with statement is executed, the code before yield is run. This is the setup phase. Then, the code inside the with block is executed. Finally, the code after yield is run, which is the teardown phase. The output shows the order in which the code is executed. First, setting up is printed, which is from the setup phase of our context manager. Then, inside the with block is printed. This is the print statement inside our with block. Finally, tearing down is printed, which comes from the tear down phase of our context manager. With this, we have successfully created and used our own context manager with a generator. This is a very powerful concept in Python, and it is used extensively in resource management. So, it's a good idea to get comfortable with it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to practice and experiment with context managers and generators on your own. Remember, the key to learning programming is consistency and practice. So, keep coding and have fun. See you in the next tutorial.